Hi friends, na videos marikontamandiకి reach avvadaniki please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video we have to learn about singular and plural noun. What is singular noun? Nouns are in the form of single person, place, animal or thing are said to be singular nouns. Nouns are in the form of more than one person or place, animal or thing are called plural nouns. First one is mat. Mats. Girl. Girls. Chair. Chair. Chairs. Table. Tables. Tail. Tails. In these 5 words we have to add s at end of the word. Add s at the end of the word. Next one, buffalo. 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 Buffaloes. buffaloes. If the word ends with o, then we have to add es. Potato. Potatoes. So many students are getting confusion where I write es, where I write yes, like that. Tomato. Here also the word ends with o. That's why you have to add es. Tomatoes. Next one, hero. Here also o is there. Heroes. 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 Next one, mango. Mangoes. Here also the word ends with o. Next, story. Stories. If the word ends with y also, then you have to add es. ies. Lady. Here the word ends with y. Here you have to add ies. If the word ends with o, yeah. Y is there, then ies. O is there, then es. Next one, if the word ends with f or ef or fe, then you have to add ves. lea. Here the word ends with f. Add ves to that word. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Here also ends with f. Add ves. Here the word ends with ef. thi EVES. thieves. Here also F. Add VES. Next one, calf. CALF, calf. Here word ends with F. That's why you have to add cows. Next, knife. KNIFE, knife. Here the word ends with FE. Knives. KNI. Add VES in the place of FE. Loaf. LOAF, loaf. Here the word ends with F. Add VES, loaves. F or FE. Then you have to add VES. Some irregular plural forms are there. I will tell those nouns, plural nouns. Those are man, men, foot, feet, goose, geese, woman, woman, tooth, teeth. Next, mouse, mice. These are irregular plural forms. Irregular ga use chestu untam. Irregular plural forms. This is singular. This is plural. Singular means only one, plural means more than one. If the word ends with O, then you have to add ES. If the word ends with F or FE, then you have to add VES. Here, these are irregular plural forms. First one is mats. Here, for these words, you have to add S only. Mats, girl, girls, chair, chairs, table, tables, tail, tails. Here you have to add only S at the end of the sentence. Here the word ends with O. That's why you have to add ES. Buffalo, buffaloes, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes. Here for these 5 you have to add ES. Next, story, stories. If the word ends with Y, then you have to add IES. Word అనేది Y తో end అయితే IES యాడ్ చేయాలి. Lady, ladies. Here the word ends with F. That's why you have to add VES. F. Loaf, wolf, wolves. Thief, thieves. Calf, cows. Knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. F తో end అయితే VES యాడ్ చేయాలి. Next, some irregular plural forms are there. Man, men, foot, feet, goose, geese, woman, women, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. These are the singular and plural forms. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.